Hey guys, it's Mari. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. I have a haul today for the Scrapbook Nerd online shop, and I really love all of these products that I got that I'm going to be sharing with you today in this unboxing video and sharing of this haul. You can see the packaging here that Scrapbook Nerd uses to send you the products. So everything is packed up in a really solid pizza style box. And you can see that everything is all wrapped up nicely inside. And oh, all those goodies are there. And I am loving those. I got a little heartbeat going on for all of these gorgeous supplies here that the ladies at scrapbooknerd.com have shipped to me. So I'm going to share these products with you here today with my voiceover. I've just sped this video up a little bit so that it doesn't take quite as much time. First thing I'm going to show you here is my Traveler's Notebook cover from Simple Stories. This is a Carpe Diem Traveler's Notebook with the Aztec print on it. It comes with this polka dot insert, and then you can see all of the really cool little pockets. This is really durable, and I have a few of the Simple Stories Traveler's Notebook inserts already, and you can see here I'm just going to show you some of the ones that I'm going to be using inside of this cover, and I'll just show you here how you can insert those. You just open up your inserts to the center like the one that's already inserted there, and you just slide it into where those elastics are. You put the elastics right through the middle of your notebook, and there you have it. Voila, you have several inserts now in your cover. So I absolutely love this. I think it's really gorgeous. I love that neutral cover, and I am going to enjoy using that to take along with me if I want to travel with it or whatever. Now I got a bunch of the Vicki Boutin All the Good Things collection, and I absolutely love Vicki's collection. I have the thickers, the phrase stickers there, and I also got the die cuts, this die cut pack that has 50 pieces in it. You can just see on the back there's just some gorgeous pieces there. I also got these little clips, and I love these as well. They are so adorable, and I am going to just open this up. I think these are called are they called On the Edge embellishments? I think so. I can't remember 100%, but these are just the ones with the little clips, and they're so cute. I'm just going to show you here how you could actually use them in a planner if you wanted. I wouldn't necessarily use all of these in this specific planner, but those little black and white ones would actually match up nicely with this planner. There's just some really cute little different images in these, and they're actually pretty sturdy. They're like a laminated cardstock, and I just really love these. I think they're so cute. They'd be really cute for embellishing your layouts, whatever your projects are that you want to work with. These are the little enamel stickers and the cardstock stickers that come with or are also part of All the Good Things. These are just adorable. I love the bright colors in Vicki's collection. I think they're so gorgeous, and I will put these to good use for sure as well. I also got some of the art crayons, and I got this warm set number 1, and these are the oranges, yellows, and pinks. And I absolutely love these. They're so pretty. And if you guys follow me at all, you know that I love mixed media, and I am going to be messing around with these. And I see that Vicki's got even more different products with her mixed media line coming out for Creativation, and I'm really excited to see what else she does with her product line with American Crafts. Now I also got some of the Letter It Perfect Pearls in that bronze and pewter colors, and I'm really excited to try these out. It also comes with the Perfect Pearls, kind of like the sticky ink that you use with it. And I'm really excited to try these and see how they're going to work. And that is part of the new Ranger Letter It collection that they've carried over at scrapbook.com. I also got some of the My Favorite Things replenishments in the hexagon shape for shaker cards. And I have this gorgeous Hero Art stamp set, you guys, called You Are Loved Messages. And you can see all of the different sentiments that are in the stamp collection. I saw Jennifer McGuire showcase this on her Favorite Things videos, and I loved it and I had to have it. This stencil from Carta Bella is also gorgeous. I am so excited to use this floral stencil. I love stencils, and I am going to be putting that prairie floral stencil to use. I also really wanted to get this Prima Traveler's Notebook insert as well, and I really love this. I'm going to show you a really quick comparison with the Midori notebook and also the Simple Stories notebooks. The paper in this is not as thick as the Midori, but it's still quite nice, and the cover on it is kind of almost like a plasticky cover, so it should be very durable. And I like the size of it. It's basically the same size as a Midori. So this is a Midori Traveler's Notebook, both the same size. But what I did notice is the paper quality in the Midori is quite a bit heavier. So if you wanted to do some mixed media or that kind of thing, the Midori might be the better selection for the paper quality. But the paper quality in the Prima is still really nice. It's almost kind of got a vellum-y surface on it, and I really, really like it as well. Now, I also got the Altenew Our Family paper collection. So I have the collection kit, single-sided papers. There's a ton of papers here in this paper pack, and there's 2 of every single sheet. So I'm just going to flip through them quickly, and you can see that there's a lot that have kind of like watercolor backgrounds, which I absolutely love. And I don't have anything like this in my stash, and I was really excited to see this. I love the florals. I can see myself doing a little bit of fussy cutting maybe with some of those florals and using some of these watercolor backgrounds for scrapbooking layouts. And there's all kinds of different options. You could use those watercolor backgrounds with your silhouette cameo as well, or to back some cut files, and all kinds of different options here with these beautiful papers. And I really love the color palette with this collection as well from Altenew. Once again, this is called Our Family, and it is something that Altenew has come out with just in this last year, I believe, is some scrapbooking collections or parts to their product line, and I think that's really fun. I love the Altenew products, and look at this floral, you guys. This is just amazing. It's so dreamy and pretty. I love it. And this is a painterly wood grain, which I also think is super unique and interesting. And then there's a bunch of little cardstock die cuts that you can get as well with the collection, and these are just perforated. They just pop out. They're not sticky on the back. They are just like a perforated cardstock sticker sheet, and then you can, or not stickers, but just ephemera die cuts, and then you can put some adhesive on the back or do whatever you want with them to use on your different projects, whether it's cards or scrapbooking or whatever you want to use, tags. Use them for anything, any of your paper products or projects, that you're working on. Then I also got the smaller romance Simple Stories collection pack, and this is mostly just the double-sided sheets of pattern paper, the cut aparts, and the sticker sheets. So you can get a larger collection pack with this collection, but I got this smaller one, and this is what the ladies are carrying over right now at Scrapbook Nerd. This is a beautiful collection pack, guys. The cut apart sheets are absolutely just gorgeous, as they always are with the Simple Stories collections. And I just really love the romantic theme going on here for Valentine's Day or my daughter's wedding, or any number of different projects that you could use this for. The color palette in this collection is gorgeous. So I'm almost at the end of my haul, guys. I'm going to leave the link for the scrapbooknerd.com in the description box below. Make sure you hop over and see what the ladies have in the shop. And I absolutely love their store, and they have amazing service. So be sure to check them out. That's scrapbooknerd.com. Thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.